quick video. I should have been filming this whole construction scene because there's all kinds of stuff. And I have never seen a compactor like that. Slow down, slow down. Look at that. Holy mackerel. That was pretty funny. I wish we could have gone slower, but it is rush hour and there's a big line of cars. So we finally got to part of the area. They're making this a really windy, zing-zangy road. You can see this. It's not, I don't know why they didn't just make it straight. They had a chance, but I guess they wanted to slow it down a little bit. Let's see if there's anything more interesting coming up. I'll throw it on the end here.